Today, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick in both PowerPoint and Word, how to rotate a shape without rotating the picture inside it. This is a common problem when you insert an image into a shape, and instead of the photo staying upright, it spins awkwardly with the shape. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to keep your photo steady while freely rotating the shape around it. Let's get started. First, insert a shape into your slide or document. You can do this by going to the Insert tab, selecting Shapes, and choosing any shape you'd like. Once the shape is in place, we'll fill it with an image. Right-click on the shape, choose Format Shape, then under Fill, select Picture or Texture Fill. Browse for your picture and insert it directly into the shape. Now here's the key step. With the shape still selected, right-click again and go back into Format Shape. Look for the Fill in Line options, and under the Picture Fill settings, you'll notice a checkbox that says Rotate with Shape. By default, this is turned on, which means the picture moves whenever you rotate the shape. Uncheck this box, and that's it. You've just unlocked the magic. Now, when you rotate the shape itself, the photo inside will remain upright and unaffected. You can also fine-tune the picture by using the Crop tool. Select Crop to Fill if you want the image perfectly aligned within the shape. This little trick is perfect for creative slide designs, custom frames, or simply keeping your images clean while adding motion to your shapes. So, next time you're working in PowerPoint or Word, remember, you don't have to choose between rotating your shape and keeping your picture aligned. With just one setting, you get full control over both. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to practice it right away so it sticks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.